This is a review of the Aicheson S-007 laptop cooler fan, and I bought this one on eBay, and I used the May 4th promo code and got it for a little less than it's normally listed for. It normally goes for about $13, maybe as high as $15, but I got it for about $11.50. So the thing that attracted me to this one over other laptop cooling fans was the simplicity of the style. You can see from the image on the front of the box that is very simple. There's no extra angles or parts. It's just pretty uniform, homogeneous surface texture for the most part. And also, I liked that it's uniform in thickness from the front to the back. Now, it does feature the option to go ahead and pull these legs down and angle it up, which is good if that's what you want. I noticed that most of the laptop fans were kind of by default in this type of position, and this one sits flat unless you want to angle it up. And I liked the pictures of the blue lights, and it just seemed like a good option. Now, I bought this fan for my 6420 latitude. Now, I made a video on this previously, and I go over kind of the heating issues, cooling issues with these laptops, and I showed everybody, how to cool theirs down. But, even though I've been able to really cool mine down, still when I'm playing video games on this laptop for extended periods of time, like 4, 5, 6, even like 8 hours straight, it does get pretty hot and it does really start to lag. And so I bought this fan pretty much just for video game purposes. And we can see it's on right now. It does feature these nice blue lights. The fans are spinning. I can feel the air moving around the top. And it's powered by USB. We can see that we're running a USB power cord from the cooling fan itself to the laptop. And one thing I really liked is that even though it takes up one of the USB ports on the laptop, it has a USB port on the USB power plug itself. So it actually doesn't reduce the number of available USB power ports on the laptop. And we can see here that the 6420, let me go ahead and set that on nicely. The 6420 sits on top very nicely, and I'm really looking forward to playing video games on this laptop at night with that blue ambient light coming out. So let me just show you what kind of temperatures I'm running right now. So I use this software Speci to monitor the GPU and CPU temperatures on this laptop. And that quad core i7, so I do have the very highest performing latitude 6420 that was made, so I have the quad core i7. That i7 is at about 40 degrees Celsius, and the GPU looks like it is about 65 degrees Celsius right now. So hopefully this fan assists with keeping it cool during gaming, and also when I'm using this laptop in extremely high temperature ambient conditions. But the same thing stands. This laptop still stays pretty cool after working with it, as I demonstrated in a previous video. But I did want something else to assist with the cooling during gaming. So I highly recommend this laptop fan, and you can find it readily on eBay, and hope it was helpful. So that's about it, guys.